On the viewer's demand, let us know how to make blending stump at home. 4 things: a smooth paper, scissor, sandpaper and a tape are required. Now take a smooth drawing paper, fold diagonally, made strong expression by using nails. Cut the folded paper and take one part of it. Now cut the sharp corner of the paper and scratch with scissor for easy rolling. Now roll the paper tightly. Make pencil shape at the end. Stick it with tape. Cut the unwanted irregular portion from the other end. Here the blending stump is ready. If you want to make a thick blending stump, you can use a rough or waste paper with drawing paper. First fold and cut the waste paper just like this. Now roll it and then roll the drawing paper on it tightly. Then stick it and cut unwanted part from other end. Here thick blending stump is ready. Now take sandpaper and scratch the end of the blending stump until it becomes smooth pencil type end. The blending stump is ready to use. Here you can see how and where the blending stump is used. The blending stump is one of the important materials used in sketching to make the sketch smooth and realistic. Thank you for watching this video.